We're going to change out a toilet that broke on this particular RV. As you can tell, the flush pedal broke on it, so we're going to change the whole toilet out today. When looking at the way the toilet is designed, we probably could have changed the whole flush mechanism out, but decided to just go ahead and just change out the entire toilet because it is an older toilet, and replacing it with a brand new toilet.
A simple plumbing connector in the back, just unscrew by hand and pull it away. Since we are going back with the same type toilet, I don't believe any additional plumbing work will be needed. If you change styles, you may need to change the connectors. Okay, now we've removed the two nuts on each side, one on each side, and the water line in the back. She should be disconnected all the way, and we can simply just lift it off. Okay, you can see where the shaft snapped off going into the inside. Like I say, you could probably get the parts for this and simply just change out that and the rear door. But I've elected to do the whole thing. Okay, here's the new toilet. It's the Dometic 300 series. Got it off Amazon for around 130 bucks. Now on this one I've upgraded, and it has the hand sprayer unit that comes with it. But it should be a very simple operation, and it comes with a new gasket seal, and you can see how the lever works underneath. So be sure to clean any residue off the flange and set it down and line up the bolts. Okay, make sure it's sitting solid and even, and then we'll bolt her back down. We reconnect the water line to the base. Make sure it's good and snug, and we'll snug down the bolts on the toilet are to be torqued between 30 and 40 inch-pounds. So we're only talking, 3 or 4 foot-pounds of pressure. And it's good to tighten them up evenly. Do one side a ways, then switch to the other side. Alright, we've got it down pretty tight, and where she doesn't wobble, and you'll notice the trap door works good. And this particular coach has been winterized, so we don't have any onboard water at this point to test it, but I will be doing that here in a day or two to make sure we have no leaks and stuff. So all that remains is to hook up the little water hose and to put the nut cover caps back on. What I have to do is get the wife to decide where she wants the sprayer to go, and we'll mount it on the wall or wherever she would like it. And then we are finished. We'll double check it for leaks, and that should be it.